How to use Rave application with your friends. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use a Rave application with your friends. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The Rave application lets you watch videos and listen to music in sync with your friends, no matter where they are. So here's how you can get started. First of all, you have to download and install the application. Once the installation is complete, now you can open up the application in your device. After that, you can sign in into Rave using your Facebook account, Google account, or your Apple ID. So once you're logged in, you will land on this kind of interface. Here you can choose content to watch. Rave application supports platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, and many other. So you can watch content from any other platforms right here. After that, you have to select a watch party. Then the playback will begin with a chat room on the side of interactions. Here you can chat on this chat room. Here you can turn on your voice as well. If you want to share this, you can tap on share icon right here. And then you can share it with your friends through any platforms right here. So in this way, you can watch content on Rave with your friends. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.